All right, welcome back, ZX fam. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing everything Bonk token. I'm sure you guys have a big smile on the face, and I know I've been seeing the comments. Where are you, Crypto ZX? Where are these updates? We want to hear from you. Guys, I just decided to kind of take a little bit of a breather. Yes, I did push out 1 or 2 videos over the past 1.5 weeks, but main focus was to just kind of relax. But good news for you guys that we're back on schedule. We're going to give you guys the daily content that you guys love. So continue supporting, and I will continue to bring out these updates for you guys. So I'm sure at this point, you guys can see that the market is in green. And speaking about the market being in green, if we're looking at Bonk, it's up a staggering 9.7%, which is, again, a great sight. So let's take it a step further because, a lot of things to discuss regarding Bonk token, a lot of questions that you guys have, and a lot of people want me to give you guys my personal opinion on, Bonk's future. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. So pretty much the entire market is up as mentioned. If we're looking at the price of Bonk, still about 4 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 1207. We're also up about 5% over the past 24 hours in BTC comparative. But that's not what I want you guys to be focusing on right now. What I want you guys to be focusing on right now is, number one, that Bonk is back into the top 100 coins. In the top 100 ranks. And also, if we're looking at its market cap, $735.8 million. So, of course, we are below that psychological $1 billion mark. But I do see Bonk getting back above that sooner than a lot of people think. And the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 103.2 million, which is not bad to see. We're going to, of course, take it one step at a time. We're coming out of a huge bloodbath, a lot of uncertainty, a huge shakeout, for the entire crypto space. So, of course, it is to be expected, right? It's going to be one step at a time. But the question that you might have right now is, Crypto ZX, there's so many meme coins coming right now that are honestly gaining a lot of traction. There's a lot of coins that are absolutely going insane in terms of trading volume, in terms of hype factor. And I see that, I'm a crypto enthusiast. I love crypto. Everything I do is crypto. And I know which meme coins people are talking about. There's a WIF token. There's a WEN token that just launched today by the Jupiter, team. There was Mock, Jupe, which was not intended to be a meme coin, but of course the community took it like a meme coin, but it was initially launched as a test. But these coins are gaining a lot of traction. Of course, there's Myro, and these are just as far as Solana ecosystem is concerned. But the question that I continuously get, on a day-to-day basis, Crypto ZX, what do you think is happening with Bonk? Why is Bonk not gaining traction? So we're going to talk all about that. So let's get further. Before I do that though, as always, just a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a look at Bonk. First, we're going to discuss the price. Then I'm going to give you guys my personal thoughts as to why this is happening. So, of course, we had a great, beautiful, run as we started off this year. We went all the way up to this 1728 zone, and then we have seen quite a sharp decline. But speaking about a sharp decline, I want you guys to give, a reminder that look at this. The entire market saw a retracement, not just Bonk, the entire market has seen a pullback. Well, what you're seeing with Bonk right now is it had a double bottom. And if you know technical analysis, sometimes, double bottom are beautiful to see. And this time around, could we see a new yearly high? The possibility is definitely still there. But with that said, the significance of this resistance is blue line. I've, been quite clear on this resistance level. You can see this for yourself. It's at that 1330 zone. And I would like to see the price of Bonk actually above it, because look what happened last time when we went above that resistance. We pumped up. Let's put that into perspective. Bonk pumped up another 31.75% after it broke out of that resistance. So my eyes right now are on this main exact target. And speaking about a pullback, if you were dollar cost averaging in, and if you are one of the Bonk lovers, you think Bonk is going to be the biggest meme coin on Solana's ecosystem, and you think it's going to be way higher into the upcoming months, and of course the next 12 to 15 months, then if you were dollar cost averaging in around the dip, you are already instantly up about 24.3%, which is really nice to see. Of course, it's not like 1,000%. And this is where the confusion comes into play. And this is where people get discouraged. Let me tell you one thing. Bonk also saw that significant rally. We don't need to forget about those days of Bonk. You're looking at tokens like WIF. You're looking at tokens like Mock Jupe. You're looking at Myro. All these coins that are launching, and you're seeing them pumping. And then you're looking at Bonk saying, why is Bonk not moving? You need to look at the valuation first. The valuation on Bonk is way higher compared to the likes of these other coins that are gaining traction. And of course, the coins with the lower, a market valuation. So market caps tend to pump easier. But again, remember, higher risk, higher reward. Because they do tend to pump, higher, there is also a huge risk because those same coins can be manipulated quite easily. It does not require a lot of power. But the question that I get continuously is, could some coin overtake Bonk? And I've been quite clear on this from the get-go. You guys can go watch all my videos. I've been, I've been a huge supporter of the way the Bonk community and the Bonk team has, just done the overall engagement, the way they are doing business. It's just beautiful, right? And they don't show greediness. They're giving back to the community, and they're giving back in a way that we have never seen before. We've seen coins, other, meme coins come and replicate that. But, what Bonk is doing is revolutionary. And I think this is going to be a huge plus point. And speaking about a plus point, a huge plus point it also has is that it's listed on Coinbase, it's listed on Binance. And now you could be saying a WIF token could be listed on Binance too. Mock Jupe could be listed on Binance. When could be listed on Binance. But from historically speaking, as far as meme coins are concerned, Bonk has that meme narrative, if you know what I mean. I love the logo, and the narrative is definitely there. But speaking about that, these shady exchanges, I'm not going to name any of these. Of course, which ones they are, on the list. But, they come and list any of these coins right off the bat, right? You don't want to be basing it off of that. You want to be basing it off the big centralized exchange where the majority of the volume is flowing in, such as Binance, such as Coinbase. And, these exchanges don't easily list all these meme coins. And I'm very, very confident moving further into this bull market that these exchanges will not come and list all these meme coins that are pumping. These coins will have their time, but I don't see them, outpacing Bonk. One coin, though, specifically, that launched today, which is WEN token, that is gaining a lot of traction. It's already at a $60 million market cap. And a lot of people are saying, that coin is going to, break some records. And look at this, it's, was airdropped to everyone. It was airdropped to everyone that used Jupiter, about 656,000 coins per person. And it's up quite significantly, with a market cap of about 70 million. The reason as to why I think this can gain a lot of traction is one reason. And let me tell you that. The reason why I think this is because of Jupiter connection. And as you know, Jupiter Exchange is going to be the biggest, airdrop in the Solana's history. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think any other, coin or any other project's overall magnitude of an airdrop was as big as Jupiter Exchange will be. And, of course, the connection being there, I think is going to play a huge role and could bring other exchanges to come and, possibly list this. But if you were to ask me my personal opinion, as you know, I'm a huge Jupiter Exchange fan. But despite that, I don't see this taking over Bonk in the long run. Sure, the market cap, if massive exchange volume and, a lot of FOMO kicks in, which it's already happening right now, maybe the market caps could be close to one another. Maybe other meme coins that could come close to, Bonk as well. But what Bonk has done in the short period of time, I don't think can be replicated. But again, that's just my own personal opinion. Correct me if I'm wrong, because again, this is just my own personal opinion. We're discussing like, friends, enthusiasts. I want to hear from you guys. What do you guys think? Do you guys agree with this overall take, or do you have a different complete take on this? But, overall, loving the way Bonk is moving right now. This is the main target, like I said, at that 1330. If it's able to break out, I'm expecting more upside for Bonk, and I think it could be able to reclaim above that $1 billion mark. But love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.